Happy Monday! It is a beautiful day here in Iola. I thought for today's content, you guys would be missing the hills of Iola. We are famously or infamously known for obviously the hills walking up and down, and they look a lot less daunting, I can tell you, without people here. I know how much how busy they are and hard to climb they are during the show, and especially when it's like 80, 90, 100 degrees. So I thought I would run up the hill for you, and I may or may not have a sled at the top. We will see. So hang tight. I'm doing this for all of you. Maybe I'll bring an actual sled next time and wait for some snow. Happy Monday, guys.